When we look up at the night sky, it's easy to forget that we're part of something truly extraordinary. Our solar system is a vast and incredible place, stretching across billions of kilometers and filled with mysteries waiting to be discovered. It's not just a collection of planets and rocks floating in space, it's our cosmic backyard. A neighborhood unlike any other, where every world has its own story to tell. Within this grand expanse, we find a dazzling array of planets, each with its own unique features. Some are gas giants with swirling storms larger than Earth, while others are rocky worlds with towering mountains and deep valleys. Dozens of moons orbit these planets, some icy and mysterious, others volcanic and active. And let's not forget the countless asteroids, comets, and dwarf planets that add even more wonder to our solar system. The asteroid belt, a vast ring of rocky debris, lies between Mars and Jupiter, while far beyond Neptune, the Kuiper belt is home to icy bodies like Pluto and Eris. Comets, with their glowing tails, occasionally visit the inner solar system, reminding us of the dynamic and ever-changing nature of our cosmic home. Imagine soaring through this incredible expanse, passing by planets, moons, and shimmering rings of ice and dust. Join me on a journey through our cosmic neighborhood as we explore the wonders that make our solar system so special. We'll set off from the very heart of our solar system, the Sun, and travel outward, past the familiar inner planets, through the realm of the gas giants, and all the way to the icy frontiers beyond Neptune. Along the way, we'll encounter breathtaking sights and learn about the forces that shape our cosmic environment. So, get ready for an adventure unlike any other. Imagine yourself aboard a spacecraft, leaving Earth behind as you venture into the unknown. The thrill of discovery awaits as we set our sights on the wonders that lie ahead. Our journey begins at the very center of it all, the Sun. This brilliant star is the anchor of our solar system, holding everything together with its immense gravity. Without the Sun, the planets, moons, and all the other objects would simply drift away into the darkness of space. The Sun is a giant ball of burning gas, mostly hydrogen and helium, undergoing powerful nuclear reactions at its core. These reactions release an incredible amount of energy, producing the light and heat that make life possible on Earth. Solar flares and eruptions send streams of charged particles across the solar system, shaping the space weather that affects our planet. Its rays travel millions of kilometers, illuminating the planets and moons, and providing the warmth that allows life to thrive on our world. Every sunrise and sunset on Earth is a reminder of the Sun's vital role in our lives. Without the Sun, Earth would be a frozen, lifeless rock drifting through space. It's the Sun's energy that powers our weather, drives the water cycle, and sustains every living thing on our planet, so buckle up, space travelers. We're about to get a close-up view of this magnificent star we call our own. As we begin our journey, let's marvel at the power and beauty of the Sun, the true heart of our cosmic backyard. The Sun is incredibly powerful. It's mostly made of hydrogen and helium gas. Inside its core, the Sun is a raging furnace. It smashes atoms together, releasing enormous amounts of energy. This process is called nuclear fusion. The Sun is not just a calm ball of fire, though. Sometimes it releases bursts of energy and charged particles called solar flares. These flares can disrupt satellites and even cause power outages on Earth. The Sun also emits a constant stream of particles called solar wind. This wind shapes the environment of the entire solar system. Let's embark on a journey through the inner solar system, the region closest to our Sun, where 4 remarkable rocky planets orbit in a cosmic dance. These worlds, Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, are vastly different from one another, each with its own story to tell. As we travel from the Sun outward, we'll discover how these planets, though neighbors, have evolved in unique and fascinating ways. Here you can see the 4 terrestrial planets lined up: Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. They are called terrestrial because they have solid rocky surfaces, unlike the gas giants farther out. Each of these planets is a world unto itself, shaped by billions of years of cosmic history. Our first stop is Mercury, the smallest and innermost planet. Mercury is a tiny cratered world, only slightly larger than Earth's moon. It races around the Sun at incredible speeds, completing an orbit in just 88 Earth days. Because it's so close to the Sun, Mercury experiences some of the most extreme temperature swings in the solar system. During the day, surface temperatures on Mercury can soar to a blistering 430 degrees Celsius, hot enough to melt lead. But without an atmosphere to hold in the heat, nighttime temperatures plummet to minus 180 degrees Celsius. This dramatic contrast creates a world of deep shadows and blinding sunlight, where the landscape is scarred by ancient impacts and vast cliffs. Mercury's atmosphere is so thin it's almost non-existent. This means there's no weather, no wind, and no protection from the sun's intense radiation. The sky would appear pitch black, even during the day, and the surface is constantly bombarded by meteoroids and solar particles. Moving outward, we arrive at Venus, often called Earth's twin because of their similar size and mass. But despite these similarities, Venus is a world of extremes, and its environment is anything but friendly. Venus is shrouded in thick, toxic clouds of sulfuric acid. Its dense atmosphere is made mostly of carbon dioxide, creating a runaway greenhouse effect. This traps heat so efficiently that Venus is actually the hottest planet in our solar system, with surface temperatures reaching a staggering 465 degrees Celsius, hotter even than Mercury, despite being farther from the sun. Beneath those clouds, the surface of Venus is a volcanic landscape, dotted with mountains, vast plains, and thousands of volcanoes. The crushing atmospheric pressure is over 90 times that of Earth, enough to flatten a submarine. No spacecraft has survived for long on Venus's surface, making it one of the most mysterious planets in our solar system. Next we come to Earth, our home, and the only planet known to support life. Earth is a vibrant, dynamic world covered in blue oceans, green forests, and swirling white clouds. Its surface is constantly changing, shaped by weather, water, and the movement of continents. Oceans cover more than 70% of Earth's surface, providing a cradle for life and helping to regulate the planet's climate. Our atmosphere, a delicate blend of nitrogen, oxygen, and other gases, shields us from harmful solar radiation and keeps temperatures stable enough for life to thrive. Earth is unique in its ability to support such a rich diversity of organisms, from the deepest oceans to the highest mountains. Finally, we reach Mars, the red planet. Mars is about half the size of Earth, and is famous for its rusty, iron-rich soil that gives it its distinctive color. Its landscape is marked by towering volcanoes, vast canyons, and ancient riverbeds, hinting at a more active past. Mars has a thin atmosphere, mostly carbon dioxide, which means it can't retain much heat. Temperatures are cold, and liquid water can't exist on the surface for long. Yet, evidence of dried riverbeds and polar ice caps suggests that Mars once had flowing water, and perhaps even conditions suitable for life. Today, Mars is a prime target for exploration, as scientists search for signs of past or present life, and dream of one day sending humans to its surface. As we venture farther from the Sun, we encounter the asteroid belt. This region between Mars and Jupiter is like a cosmic highway, filled with millions of asteroids. Asteroids are rocky remnants from the early solar system, leftovers from the time when planets were forming. Some asteroids are small like pebbles, while others are gigantic like dwarf planets. Ceres, the largest object in the asteroid belt, is a dwarf planet. Imagine exploring these ancient rocks, piecing together the history of our solar system. What secrets do you think asteroids hold? Get ready to be amazed by the gas giants. These colossal planets are not only the largest in our solar system, but they also hold some of the most fascinating mysteries and breathtaking sights in the cosmos. Today, we'll embark on a journey to explore their wonders, starting with the king of the planets, Jupiter. First, we encounter Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system. Jupiter is a true giant, a swirling ball of gas and storms that dwarfs every other planet. Its atmosphere is a mesmerizing tapestry of colorful bands, created by powerful winds that whip around the planet at hundreds of miles per hour. These bands are made up of ammonia clouds, giving Jupiter its iconic striped appearance. To truly grasp Jupiter's immense size, imagine this. You could fit all the other planets in our solar system inside Jupiter, and there would still be room to spare. Its diameter is more than 11 times that of Earth, and its mass is over 300 times greater. Jupiter's gravity is so strong that it has helped shape the orbits of other planets and even protects Earth by pulling in comets and asteroids that might otherwise threaten us. Jupiter is famous for its swirling clouds, and most notably, the Great Red Spot, a gigantic storm larger than Earth itself. This storm has been raging for at least 350 years, possibly much longer, and its winds reach speeds of up to 400 miles per hour. The planet's atmosphere is a dynamic, ever-changing canvas, with lightning storms, auroras, and mysterious dark spots that appear and disappear over time. Next, we travel to Saturn, the second largest planet in our solar system and perhaps the most visually stunning. Saturn is instantly recognizable thanks to its magnificent rings, which stretch out for hundreds of thousands of kilometers. These rings are so bright and beautiful that they can even be seen through a small backyard telescope. Saturn's rings are made up of countless particles of ice and rock, ranging in size from tiny grains of dust to massive boulders as large as mountains. These particles reflect sunlight, creating a dazzling display that circles the planet. Scientists believe the rings may be the remnants of a shattered moon or comet, and they continue to study their origins and structure to this day. Orbiting Saturn is Titan, its largest moon and one of the most intriguing worlds in the solar system. Titan is even bigger than the planet Mercury, making it a true giant among moons. What makes Titan especially fascinating is that it's the only moon with a thick atmosphere, which is mostly nitrogen, just like Earth's. Titan's orange, hazy atmosphere hides a surface dotted with lakes and rivers, not of water, but of liquid methane and ethane. These alien seas and the thick, smoggy air make Titan a prime target for future exploration. Scientists believe that beneath its icy crust, Titan may even harbor a subsurface ocean of water, raising exciting possibilities for the search for life beyond Earth. The gas giants and their moons are truly majestic worlds of wonder, each with their own secrets waiting to be discovered. Prepare for the ice giants Uranus and Neptune. Uranus is tilted on its side, making it unique among the planets. Its pale blue color comes from methane in its atmosphere. Neptune, the farthest planet from the Sun, is known for its strong winds and violent storms. Both Uranus and Neptune have rings, although they are much fainter than Saturn's. These icy giants remind us of the incredible diversity of worlds in our solar system. Our journey doesn't end at Neptune. Beyond the planets lies the Kuiper belt, a region similar to the asteroid belt but much larger and colder. The Kuiper belt is home to Pluto, reclassified as a dwarf planet, and other icy objects. Even farther out, surrounding our entire solar system, is the Oort cloud. This vast spherical cloud is thought to be the birthplace of comets. It's a cosmic treasure chest, holding clues to the early solar system. Our journey through the solar system has been incredible. We've explored planets, moons, asteroids, and beyond. From the scorching heat of Mercury to the icy depths of the Oort cloud, our solar system is a place of endless wonder and discovery. Remember, this is just our cosmic neighborhood. The universe is vast and filled with countless stars and planets. Who knows what other secrets are waiting to be uncovered? Now it's your turn to explore. If you could visit any planet or moon in our solar system, where would you go? What mysteries would you want to unravel? Share your thoughts, ask questions, and keep the spirit of cosmic exploration alive.